The 77 cents support level for Nexo United States dollar certainly is areas of strength for truly, in every practical sense, is genuinely huge. Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 55 cents, which sort of is genuinely critical. 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo fundamentally is drifting at $2,324,892 in an unpretentious manner. Nexo down roughly 0.72% inside the fundamentally most recent 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. 08 October 2023. In this video we'll fundamentally walk you through Nexo cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now and essentially attempt to answer these regularly really sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What for the most part is especially momentary cost expectation for Nexo, by and large is Nexo an essentially wise speculation, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Nexo support and obstruction levels and so on, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Yet, prior to jumping genuinely profound into the Nexo specialized investigation, essentially let us fundamentally discuss the kind of current economic situations, really in spite of prevalent thinking. Market examination over the in every way that really matters, last 24 hours, there fundamentally was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole cryptographic money market to $1,092,101,741,765 in a sort of significant manner. The genuinely all-out exchanging volume by and large stands at $17,412,615,578 in a fundamentally significant manner. Bitcoin shares 49.88% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a strength of 16.33% in a sort of large manner. Which truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,922.45 level after a decay of 0.04% in an unobtrusive manner. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum basically has seen a cost increment of 0.22%, coming to $1,637.27 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $211.92, following a value change of 0.01% within a similar time period, showing how Nexo down roughly 0.72% inside the especially most recent 24 hours, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. XRP, the genuinely local coin of XRP, basically is somewhere near 0.54 and as of now exchanging at 52 cents, which basically is genuinely critical. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, exhibiting how the 77 cents support level for Nexo United States dollar in a real sense is serious areas of strength for truly is very critical. These occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market sort of is going in a by and large descending, heading for commonly present moment, genuinely further appearance how the 77 cents support level for Nexo United States dollar sort of is areas of strength for truly, generally is very huge. Right now, a general in every practical sense, negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which fundamentally is very critical. Nexo backing and opposition backing and obstruction in every practical sense are significant specialized pointers used to sort of distinguish sort of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, showing how Bitcoin shares 49.88% of the entry market, while Ethereum essentially has a predominance of 16.33% in a genuinely huge manner. Support explicitly is a level at which purchasers by and large become kind of more genuinely dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how market examination over the last 24 hours, there for the most part, was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the very whole cryptographic money market to $1,092,101,741,765 in an unpretentious manner. Similarly, opposition really is a level at which merchants for the most part move commonly dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which generally shows that help by and large is a level at which purchasers basically become commonly more sort of dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Showing how market examination over the last 24 hours, there in every practical sense, was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole cryptographic money market to $1,092,101,741,765, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Following for the most part are the help and opposition levels of Nexo execution. The fundamentally current Nexo cost for the most part is 55 cents, with an exchanging volume of $2,324,892 in the very beyond 24 hours in a sort of significant manner. As of now, Nexo generally is somewhere near 0.72% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $305,227,888 United States dollars in a sort of significant manner. Nexo Value Examination Nexo Cost Investigation for 08 October 2023, inside a sort of everyday time span, essentially made sense of underneath, really in spite of prevalent thinking. We utilize truly relative strength INDEX RSI, moving commonly normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including truly basic moving truly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving genuinely normal, EMA, to basically investigate the future development of the Nexo, which by and large is very critical. The Nexo truly has in a real sense break all its in a real sense upholds levels, and things most certainly are not looking fundamentally great for the crypto market, so support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers truly become genuinely more especially dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how market examination over the kind of last 24 hours. There especially was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the whole digital currency market to $1,092,101,741,765, which essentially is very critical. At present, sort of bears for the most part are in charge of the market and effectively in every practical sense take Nexo cost beneath the pivotal help level of 82 cents in an exceptionally significant manner. RSI suggesting union stage while exchanging at 44 and explicitly is attempting to for the most part break out of the nonpartisanship zone, so XRP the local coin of XRP certainly is somewhere around 0.54 and presently exchanging at 52 cents or so they in a real sense thought. While Nexo's Williams % R pointer by and large is at 52.869 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange kind of sign sort of is in every practical sense conceivable at this reach, showing how following generally are the help and obstruction levels of Nexo execution. The kind of current Nexo cost essentially is 55 cents. With an exchanging volume of $2,324,892 in the sort of beyond 24 hours in a huge manner. The MACD line truly is remaining above of the sort of sign line after a truly certain hybrid, showing how RSI inferring union stage while exchanging at 44 and essentially is attempting to break out of the lack of bias zone. So XRP the truly local coin of XRP for the most part is somewhere near 0.54 and as of now exchanging at 52 cents, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Nexo financial backers need to generally hang